Anyone can learn to draw, and every artist can get their artistic breakthrough. What many are missing are the right tools, techniques, and support. The Lucy Art Learning Hub combines the Lucy Drawing Tool, which teaches drawing visually, with accessible, hands-on courses and tutorials. This integration helps you leverage the power of the Lucy to advance your skills. Plus, you gain access to art teacher feedback and community support, all in the comfort of your home through this online hub. For about the price of grabbing lunch, you'll get unlimited monthly access to Lucy Learning Hub's growing catalog, featuring 40 hours of lessons spanning hundreds of videos across a variety of courses and tutorials. From basic drawing and painting to portraiture, watercolor, colored pencils, and more. Even though we'll continue to add new content each month, your special founder pricing remains locked in for the life of your membership. This ensures your value grows alongside your artistic skills. Go to LucyLearningHub.com to learn more and enroll today.